All right, Algebra 1, we talked the other day about some grouping words. We are on lesson 1.5, translating sentences into an equation. Remember, equations do have that equal sign in between two expressions, whether it's a variable expression or a numerical expression. Our essential question today is, can you translate sentences into equations? So we have some key words that we need to talk about. Sum, difference, quotient, product. All right, sum we know is addition, difference is subtraction, quotient is division, product is multiplication. So let's see if we can figure some of these out. I'm going to start slowly. The sum of a number and 12 is equal to 78. The sum of a number and 12 is 78. When you see the word sum, sometimes you have to put it in parentheses. In this case, you don't have to, because n plus 12 equals 78 will be the same as n plus 12 equals 78. If a number is decreased by 5, and the result is multiplied by 2, then the result is 26. All right, I will agree that this one's a little bit wordy. How do I show a number is decreased by 5? I will show a number decreased by 5 as n minus 5. And it says the result of that will be multiplied by 2. So I'm going to take this whole thing and multiply it. Whether you multiply the 2 here or you put it right there, it does not matter. Then the result, again a little wordy, is 26. They are not asking us to solve these, they're just asking us to set these up. Moving on. 3 less the number x equals 44. 3 less the number x equals 34. 3 less the number x equals 44. Now, I'm going to put your attention right here because sometimes we will see 3 less than the number x is 44. This is different. So remember, if you see less than, let's talk about something. If I have 3 less than 6, isn't that 6 minus 3? 3 less than 6 is 3. So sometimes you guys get really confused when you see 3 less than the number x. In this case, it would be x minus 3 is 44. And to be honest, I see that a whole lot more than I see 3 less the number. So just be aware of the two differences there. All right, moving on. The sides of a rectangle are x and x minus 4. The perimeter is 87. I'm a visual learner, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a rectangle. The sides of a rectangle are x and x minus 4. Now, if I have to find the perimeter, do you guys know how to find a perimeter? The perimeter is all sides added up. So I know I'm going to have 2 of these and 2 of those. So 2x plus 2 times x minus 4 is 87. Nice work. All right, moving on. A rectangle has a length 4 centimeters and an area 48 centimeters squared. That is a square. All right, what did I tell you? I'm a visual learner. The first thing I'm going to do is draw a rectangle. I know that the length is 4 centimeters. I do not know the width. The area is 48 centimeters squared. So I have to have some foreknowledge about the area of a rectangle. I know that the area of the rectangle is length times width. What did they tell us the area was? Yes, they told us the area is 48. What was the length? The length was 4, and I'm going to leave W in for the width. This is the equation. All right, we do have some practice problems, so you can go ahead and try these 4 practice problems. Great job.